This video is about getting a drone to obey air traffic control instructions. In the video, you'll see the drone obey instructions to taxi to a runway, take off, change course and altitude, and to land. And although you don't see it in the video, I also have the drone recognizing clearance instructions, reporting the field in sight when asked, taxiing to a particular gate upon landing, and contacting tower or some other ATS unit on a certain radio frequency. Um, so in the video, each instruction starts off with an aircraft's call sign, which is a name which uniquely identifies it. And the call sign for the drone is November 172 Sierra Papa. And I'm playing the role of air traffic control. And so whenever I start an instruction with November 172 Sierra Papa, that means that instruction is meant for the drone and the drone should react. At one point in the demo, I preface an instruction with the call sign of a different aircraft, an aircraft that isn't the drone, and the drone correctly ignores that instruction. It also correctly ignores the next statement, which is that other aircraft's response to air traffic control. November 172 Sierra Papa, runway 25 taxi via Sierra, hold short of runway 25. November 172 Sierra Papa, fly heading 180, runway 25, cleared for takeoff. November 172 Sierra Papa, fly heading 090, climb and maintain 3000. November 172 Sierra Papa, fly heading 315. November 172 Sierra Papa, fly heading 360, descend and maintain 1000. The next two instructions are not meant for the drone, and the drone correctly ignores them. November 03 X-ray Papa, fly heading 030. Heading 030, November 03 X-ray Papa. November 172 Sierra Papa, runway 25 left, clear to land.